Hello, this is Emily coming after you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the XTR Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a nice backup camera. We do get a bed liner as well with a nice tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped platform to running board with mud flaps on the front, heated door mirrors, turn light indicated, and moving to the front real quick, we do get recovery hooks, block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray leather cloth interior, plenty of door space. We got floor mats, carpeted interior. We got your 6 additional seat here, 12-volt cup holders, 2 USBs. And of course you do get a split folding rear bench seat, which you can fold up for extra storage options. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly powered driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of more door space up front. You got your lights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 158,993 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. We have your volume, playback, play forward, mode, mute voice, phone, cruise control, and toggle-free screen, which you can go through display mode, trip and field, towing, off-road, and other settings. Here we get our drive modes, speeds. For our drive modes, we do get normal, tow and haul, stone wet, eco, and sport. Continue our look over here. We got cup holders, nice little phone slot, storage right here as well. Your 6 additional seat with storage below. We do get some storage up ahead with 2 USBs, 12-volt, little storage cubby here, 4-wheel drive. Your climate controls, 12-volt, storage below, storage above. Got our traction, hazards, auto stop, auto start. And looking at our media screen, we do have our audio, compass, phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get, if it wanted to load, AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls right here as well. Any apps you may download will show up right here. And settings such as Ford Pass, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, voice control, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE57976A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.